I told you next time I got something from Amazon for my video camera, I would show you. Okay, I just got it today. I have an idea what it is, but I've got two more things. And sometimes I get it in different shipments. So what do we have here? All right, yeah, baby. That's the only thing it is, and I'll take it. Look at this. It's a Sony. My video camera is a Sony. Okay, this is a wireless microphone system. And so I can plug in a wire to my video camera, and then I can have the speaker next to me, and I can walk. It's wireless, so it's what it says, wireless. So I can carry it with me, and I can put the little speaker on my shirt, on my hat, whatever, and I can go up to, I think, 150 feet away, and it will be like I'm just talking as close as this. So, because I've heard from a couple of people, hey Joe, sometimes when you turn around and you're working on something on a wall or on a door or something like that, maybe they can't hear me all the way. And so this is something I'm looking forward to trying out to make my videos more better. And Sony always has really good things. I'm not gonna really try to hook it up right now. Wow, come on. Oh, no wonder it was taped. It was taped down. Wow. Okay. I'll have to look at all this and figure it all out for sure. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's only one system. Yeah, I guess this gets hooked up to the, well, I don't know. I'll have to read the directions, but I'm pretty sure one section gets plugged directly in to the video camera, and one bit I hook onto me, and then it makes it wireless. Okay, we'll soon find out. I forget how much this was. It was over $100, but it's going to be well worth it for all of my videos. You might want to try something like that. Now, they did have another system where it was not wireless, so obviously it was a lot cheaper, but I mean, what's the purpose of that? I don't quite get that. But anyways, that's what it is. I'm looking forward to using it. Yes. Hey, if you thought I loved dolls, okay, think again. This is my mother's house, and I'm staying here as a guest. And this is where I stay sometimes when I come and visit Mother. So, hey, I'm not getting wiggy just yet.